Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I'm going to show you, or attempt to show you, how to draw this in CorelDraw. And you could use multiple colors and change it around. I happen to have to work in black and white and gray because I'm an engraver. So just hold down your control button and make it something like 18. Then hit P, put it in the center of the page, then take another one. And let's make it half 18, which would be 9. But I'm going to make it 9.02. Because that way we have a little bit of excess room for bleedage when we use the virtual segment delete key. Select them both and hit L. That put it in the center of the page, or to the left. Then we're going to move this rotation to the center of the page. Now we're going to set I'm using a Docker. Let's go to Windows, Dockers, Transformer Transformation, 72 degrees 4 times. Now take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line, that line, that line, and there's going to be possibly one more line. No, we got them all. So you've got this shape. And if you didn't make it just a little bit bigger, you might have a bleed, or when it came around here, it might have deleted that line. Take your Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to try a color this time, so I'm going to let's make it blue. Then take your interactive fill tool that I'm not that good at, and just kind of go like that. And I'm trying to get like half and half, half color. You can always play with this till the cows come home and get different shape. You can actually add some more colors, type deal, and bring it down. I'm trying to get where that blue is all the way there. Maybe that'll work. Then just take this, and you've still got your Docker open. Move your center rotation to the center. I always double check when you have it bloomed in or zoomed in, and then just do the same thing, and you get that. Now you can take away the line by right-clicking. Looks different, or you can add a white line to make it a little bit different looking effect. And then you could actually make that white line a little thicker if you wanted to. I'm working with somebody else's. I like points. Doesn't seem like it's changing much. There we go. Total different look. And then you could change the lines to red. That doesn't look worth a flip, or back to black, or none. That's a pretty cool design. I'm actually going to try to work on one that's something like this, or even this, that maybe would be a 3D effect when you engrave it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.